All right, guys, welcome back to life.atv. Got Danny, got the old man, and we actually got the owner, Dom, here. And we really don't have an experience with one of these, do we, Code?
No.
This is, what is it, Dom? Explain what's all done to this bad boy.
2005 KFX 700. It's actually bone stock.
Bone stock, really?
Yep.
What's your first impression of it, man?
It's a little bit nicer than I thought it was going to be, to be honest.
I mean, I've heard really good things that these things are just like wheelie animals.
They are.
On like gravel and stuff, and they're two-wheel drive, right?
Yep.
So would you consider this like a sport quad, or?
It's
tough,
you can't really throw it around like a sport quad, but you can throw it around more than a 4x4.
Yeah.
It really reminds me of like the older Polaris Scramblers.
Yeah. Riding it, you know, the feel of the seat and the way it handles is kind of similar to the old style Scrambler.
I'm gonna be completely honest. It's probably the ugliest quad I've ever seen in my book. I mean, it might run phenomenal, might be a beast, but I just think the thing's ugly. It does nothing for me.
I guess I don't think it's that bad.
I just think it's ugly. I mean, the front end, you guys like that?
It don't bother me. It just
I'm sure the thing's a beast, though. I'm just saying.
It's just like has a meaner.
Looks-wise, does nothing for me.
It looks like our Prairie, just a little bit meaner.
Exactly. I'm just kidding. No, it looks all right, I suppose. But yeah, let's put her to the test, guys, and see what she does. I feel like this is the perfect elements for it, like a little bit of snow, and see if she can go through it and kind of see what we all think of it. Oh man, can't help himself.
I rode one of these a long time ago, but I don't remember it at all.
Yeah?
It's like when they first came out. Kind of anxious. She's got to be good. She's a Kawasaki, for God's sake.
Oh. So, is that what that means?
Kind of fun, man.
Oh man, mobbing called.
They always complain about he's getting too old. Look at him right there.
Oh no way. It's only two-wheel drive.
It really goes.
Sweet,
I'd
man.
like to feel it on some really hard patches of dirt. Just don't do it justice.
Yeah.
But it's still fun. Right up the fucking kid! That was awesome! That was awesome!
No problem. It's got a lot of torque.
Oh man, loves his cowies.
That was fun. It's big. Feels so freaking tall. You definitely can't throw it around like in a sport quad.
Did it feel top heavy, Dad?
A little bit. But yeah, because you're a lot taller, man. But I mean, but no, it wasn't bad. I liked it. It was fun.
Oh man, you got the Prairie. What do you think of it compared to the Prairie?
Oh, this is actually funner than the Prairie because the Prairie seems a little heavier.
Right.
Because of four-wheel drive and everything, but I love my Prairie.
Yeah.
She's been pretty bulletproof until Cody drove it, but other than that, no, they're a good machine, don't get me wrong. I like that 700 power, but I don't know, this is different. It's different.
Yeah, I mean,
this is definitely funner.
Yeah.
Prairie to me is more like a
workhorse.
It's a workhorse.
Yeah.
I mean,
exactly. But let's get Dom with the GoPro on and see if it'll actually go through some snow. Because Dom likes his KFX 700. It's the first one you've had.
No, this is the third one I've had, actually.
Already stuck. actually moves. I mean, it's a 700.
You gotta hold the foot brake and push this button down and then just twist it.
Okay, so that's how you go. That's how you shift
forward
it?
is drive and down is reverse.
What in the heck?
That's it. That's crazy.
That's gotta be the stupid. I'm just kidding. I mean, whatever. That's different, right, Code? So boom.
Push the thumb in and then twist.
So that's reverse.
There you go.
Oh God, it kind of feels kind of cool.
You got too cocky, buddy.
Woo! All right, Dom. Code, honestly, why is this fucker so much fun? This thing is really
You love
fun.
all the unique ones all the time.
I mean, this is the ugliest quad I've ever seen, but she's fun, man.
Old man really liked it.
Yeah. God, I'm gonna eat my words a little bit. I mean, I've never wanted to ride a KFX 700 before,
Now you want to buy one.
but man, I was missing out. I mean, it's two-wheel drive, and this thing's an animal. This thing's fun. I was kind of treating it like a sport quad like right there, and it was. It's kind of like that weird hybrid mix right there.
I mean, look like you're having a blast on it.
I mean, this part's dumb. This part's kind of dumb right here where the gas tank's in the back. But yeah, I guess it's unique, man.
It's different.
Gosh. Man, Kawasaki knows how to make some good wheelers, don't they, guys?
Damn right they do.
KFX 450R, the 700, the Prairie. God. All right, Cold's turn to get a turn on it. Expectations going in, what are they, buddy?
Colin, you guys have been hyping it up quite a bit.
Oh my God, it's fun, man.
Just don't break it, Cody.
Break it, you buy it, buddy.
Dom, if I break it, I don't have the money to fix it.
Thing's an animal.
Alright, so how's this working now, Dom?
Give him the rundown, Dom.
Need the rundown, buddy.
Told you you'd like it.
Jeez, this is like...
Variable transmission.
It is, yeah.
I mean, the
thing just
get
sounds
that
like a
constant power band. It's right there. It's cool.
How was she, buddy?
Not bad. A little too top heavy for me, personally.
Code's gonna bash it.
I can see why Danny reminded me of the 700 TRX.
Oh yeah?
Felt like a fucking boat.
Whoa. That was the best quad we ever had, man.
Yeah, it was fun. I definitely didn't love it as much as you guys did, but
It was fun. I don't know if I'd go buy one, but
Dom, as in all your machines, they're always for sale, right, buddy?
Yep.
So, just putting that out there.
just
No,
a
it's pretty
little
fun,
too
though.
big for me, boys.
Yeah. It's kind of a beast in the snow, man.
She is fun in the snow.
Yeah, but I know what you mean. Like, if it was like a typical summer day, is this the quad you'd choose to go rip? Probably not,
It'd be a
right?
blast if you didn't know how to use the
not
clutch,
for me
though.
anyway.
Yeah, if you weren't like into clutches or
Like for-
manuals.
Like for Eric, this would be nice for him.
That's way too much for Eric.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed seeing Kawasaki KFX for the first time on the channel. You guys always wanted to see it, so we figured Dom hooked us up. So
Attaboy, Dom.
blew us all the water. Definitely wasn't what I expected. Thanks
Cole's actually thinking about selling his new YFZ
Yeah, I
for
don't think
it.
you guys gotta worry about that. Thing's a freaking tank. It's huge. It's unstoppable. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Use the code for Oxbeam. We'll see you guys in the next video. Later.